butter bean cassoulet with venison sausage. Let me show you how to make this wonderful French dish so you can make it for your family. It's so simple and so tasty. Let's get started. On Darlene's table, we're going to have carrots and bay leaves, venison sausage, this is venison and pork, a little hot sauce, butter beans, my garlic, we're not using that much, onion, tomato, fresh tomatoes, and chicken broth, and thyme. Now for the topping, we're going to use parsley, cornmeal, and butter. All right, I'll put 2 tablespoons of oil in the skillet, and I'm going to brown this venison sausage. The sausage came from my brother-in-law, Steve. So once this is all browned, we'll return it to the bowl that I originally had it in. A little more oil in the skillet. I'm adding the onion, carrots, and bay leaf. The carrots diced in small pieces, probably a little bit over 1/4 inch. And I'm going to cook this for about 7 minutes. Add the garlic. I do like my garlic. Let this garlic cook a little bit. Add the tomatoes. Now I'm adding the thyme and salt and pepper. Give this a good stir. Adding the butter beans. The sausage is going back in. And 2 cups of reduced sodium chicken broth. A little bit of Tabasco, add according to your taste. Now bring this to a boil for 10 to 15 minutes. So we'll remove the bay leaf. I've lightly greased my ramekins. Fill the ramekins with our butter bean mixture. So I'm going to put parsley on the top, a teaspoon of plain yellow cornmeal on top of that, and then some cubes of butter. Once these are finished, they'll go into the oven at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. You want them lightly browned. All right. Well, that looks very nice. And then we'll sprinkle the top with Parmesan. These were very good and so easy to make. Butter bean and sausage cassoulet. This is a hearty and comforting dish that originated in the south of France. It typically consists of white beans, such as butter beans, cooked with sausage, bacon, vegetables, and a tomato-based sauce. The butter beans add a creamy texture and mild flavor, while the venison sausage provides a savory and smoky note. This dish is perfect comfort food during colder months and can be enjoyed as a main course or served as a side dish with crusty bread. You know what? Forget that. You can put this in front of me any time of the year. So if you want to make this dish, go to Darlene's table and find the recipe with all the ingredients. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please give us a like and consider subscribing. That way you can keep up with what is going on right here on Darlene's table.